you can see here, I have listed some perfect square numbers right from 1 square to 40 square. Like the square, perfect square here are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and so on. Now we shall see whether the trick 1 holds good for all these square numbers. Okay. Square, perfect square, that is 9 square is 81, 18 square is 324, 25 square is 625 and 23 square is 529 and 30 square is 900 and 34 square is 1156. So when you look into the first example, that is 9 square, in the unit place or the ones place the number is 1. So according to the condition the number ends with 1. So it's all good for the first example. Let us see the second example, that is 18 square. That is 324. When you look into the units place, the number is 4. So according to the condition, this also satisfies. When you look into the 25 square, that is 625. When you look into the ones place, you see that there is 5. So this also holds good. When you take 23 square, that is 527, the ones place is 9. So the condition holds good. So in this 30 square we got 900. We know that the number perfect square number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. So we have 00. So this also holds good. And in this example, that is 6, it also holds good. So the trick was the perfect square number always ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 00. So the tip 1 holds good. Condition, that is, if the perfect square number ends with the 5, always the tens place is 2. Now we shall check the second condition. I've taken 5 square. So the 5 square is 25. So we know that this part is ones place. So this is ones place and this 2 is in the tens place. So according to the first condition, that was if the perfect square number ends with 5, the tens place is always 2. So here the condition holds good. Now when we look into the 15 square, that is 2, 2, 5, the last in the unit place we have 5. So in the tens place we have 2. So this is ones, this is tens and this is 100 place. Okay. So in the tens place we have 2 when we have the last digit as 5. When we see another example, that is 25 square, that is 625. So the number 625 is ending with a number 5. So in the tens place we have the number 2. So the second condition holds good. That is, if the number ends with 5, the tens place is always 2. Now we shall see the third condition, that is, if the perfect square number ends with the digit 6, then the tens place is always a odd number. Here are some odd numbers: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. So now I have taken 4 square, that is 16. So in the last digit is 16, that is last digit is 6, then beside that in the tens place there is a odd number, so 1 belongs to odd number. Similarly 6 square is 36, so in the tens place we have 3 and 3 is a odd number. And next we have 14 square, that is 196 and the last digit is 6. Then you see into the tens place we have 9 and 9 is also a odd number, so 9 is also a odd number. When we see 26 square, that is 676. So we have the last digit 6. Then in the tens place we have 7. So 7 belongs to the odd number. So if the perfect square ends with the number 6, then in the tens place we always have a odd number. So the third condition also satisfies. The fourth condition is that if the perfect square number ends with 1, 4, 9, and in the tens place we always have the even number. So even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. So here we have 11 square, that is 121. So the number is ending with 1. So the last digit is 1. So when we look into the tens place, that is 2, that is a even number. So it is a perfect square. So 18 square is 324. We have in the last digit is 4 and the tens place is 2. So 2 belongs to a even number. So this also satisfies. So now this thing 27 square is equals to 729. So the last digit is 9 and in tens place we have 2 and 2 belongs to a even number. Now we shall take another example, that is 13 square is equal to 169. So the last digit is in 9. So the tens place is 6. So 6 is also a even number. So if the number ends with 149, the tens place is always a even number. Then it is said to be a perfect square. Now we shall see the another trick. To check whether the given number is a perfect square or not, we have another trick, that is digital root. The digital root should always be 1, 4, 7, 9 in order to say that it is a perfect number. So now I have taken we shall see what is digital root. Now I have taken 552 as a number. So it is a 3-digit number. So we need to find the digital root. How to find the digital root is nothing but we have to add the consecutive numbers in the given number, that is 5 plus 5 plus 2, that is 5 plus 5 plus 2, which gives us 12. So 12 is also a 2-digit number. We have to get 1-digit number. So we'll be going to add 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. So we got 3. So if the digital root is 3, it is not a perfect square. Now we shall take another example, that is example 2. So I'll be taking 1, 3, 9, 6. So if we add this number, that is 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6. So we are going to add the digits of this given number. So 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. So 19. We got 19. So we'll be having 2 digits. So we need to consider this as 1 digit. Convert this into 1 digit. That is 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. Again we got 2 digits. So 1 plus 0 is 1. So since the digital root is 1, it is said to be a perfect square. Why? Because the digital root should be 149 in order to say that it is a perfect square. So let us consider another number if you have doubt. So let us consider another number. Let us take 1600. So which is equals to 1 plus 6 plus 0, 0, 0, that is 7. So 7 also belongs to the digital root, that is a perfect square. So this is also a perfect square number. So 1600 is also perfect square number since the digital root is 7. So if the digital root is 1479, then it is said to be a perfect square.